A very good afternoon, class. Today I will be teaching you all the Awakened Citizen program that consists of session 13, part A, realizing a creative vision, part B, working with collective intelligence. So let us explore the part A. So today we will be exploring our knowledge possibilities of only part A, that is realizing a creative vision, and in the next class we will be exploring the part B, that is working with collective intelligence. So let's start realizing a creative vision. So part A, unit 1, what does it mean to realize a creative vision? Meet some role models. Meet Jamshedji Tata ji from 1839 to 1904. He was an Indian businessman who had a creative vision. He thought that India must have its own hotels. It was his own unique thinking. So he was an Indian businessman, and he has a creative vision, and he realized also, and he had made his own hotels, like he built the Taj Hotel, the first Indian owned luxury hotel. So he has a creative vision, and by building the Taj Mahal hotel, he has made that creative vision into to form into a realistic goal. After some time, he thought that India must make its own steel. So he has seen a creative vision of making India making his own steel. So he laid the foundation for India's own steel plant. This vision became a reality in 1907, and he established its own Tata Steel. Thus, he has also seen a dream of making India making its own steel, and also was successful in accomplishing its dream. So then he thought that India must have its own research and education institutions. So he has a creative vision of making educational institution, and he also realized it. So he worked for the creation of Indian Institute of Science that opened in 1909. So he has established the Indian Institute of Science, and has accomplished the dream of making or having India its own research and educational institutions. So now we can see that Jamshedji Tata ji has its own vision of making the first Indian owned luxury hotel, Taj Hotel, India's own research and higher education institution, and India's own power plant, that is Tata Power, and then his India's own steel plant, that is Tata Steel. So he is the one that has a creative vision, and also he has turned that creative vision into a realistic form. So let us meet another person who has a creative vision, that is M. Vishwaraya from 1860 to 1962. He was an engineer who was the Diwan of Mysore state, Karnataka, and has a creative vision. He wants a progressive and developed Mysore state. So he has a vision related to Mysore, of seeing the Mysore as a progressive and developed state. So he founded Bangalore. He started working on making the Mysore as a progressive and developed state, and through founding the Bangalore Agriculture University, Polytechnic Institute, Mysore Soap Factory, Mysore Iron and Steel Works, Parasitoid Laboratory, State Bank of Mysore, Mysore Chamber of Commerce, and many more. So he has a creative vision of making a progressive and developed Mysore state, and he realized it, and he I, he realized it and make and laid a very important foundation in making the Mysore a progressive and developed state. Another one of the personality we can meet is Homi Bhabha. From 1909 to 1966, he was a scientist who had a creative vision. He thought that India must have nuclear power. So he has seen a creative vision of making India having a nuclear power, and he was a scientist, so he started India's nuclear program. He founded the Tromboy Atomic Energy Establishment, which gave India its first nuclear energy reactor. Then he founded the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research for Scientific Research. This we can see students that how Homi Bhabha had a creative vision of making India having a nuclear power, and also turned that dream, that creative vision into reality. So let us meet some another great personalities. That after independence, our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru wanted a new city that could be the capital of the newly formed state of Punjab. He called in Lee Corbusier for this. So let us meet Lee Corbusier. He was an architect. He was an architect who had a creative vision, and he thought that India should have a well planned city. It was his vision regarding the work it was given to him. So he thought that I should make a well planned city, and India should have it. So Lee Corbusier had a creative vision. He was an architect, and he also realized it by making in and fulfilling it in that dream into a reality. So he he built the first well-planned modern city in India, that is the city of Chandigarh. Thus we can see that how he has planned the Chandigarh city in order to have a well planned city in India. It was his creative vision that has turned into a reality, and has given India a well planned city. So these are all examples of people who realized their creative vision, and like them too, we can also have a creative vision and form all those vision into a reality, like Jamshedji Tata ji, M. Vishwaraya, Homi Bhabha, Lee Corbusier, and the next can be you all students, you all can do all these kind of creative work, have a creative vision, and turn all this creative vision into a reality. So you too can choose to realize a creative vision. Let us discuss part A, unit 2, that is exploring what happens to us when we realize a creative vision. So let's see. So when I realize a creative vision, I awaken my capacity to have a clear vision of what I want to create. Then I awaken my capacity to be persuasive and I awaken my capacity to be persuasive and inspiring. So when I realize a creative vision, I awaken my capacity to develop tremendous will and focus to steadily move towards realizing my vision, and awakening the capacity to never lose sight of the goal, whatever be the difficulties or the temptations in our path. So we can explore the creative vision through discussing some examples, and this is an activity for the students, like let's meet some two people, Sanjeev and Mohan. As you can see in the slide, this is Sanjeev and this is Mohan, and students, you have to imagine the thinking of Mohan, and that is your homework. So let us see what Sanjeev is thinking. It is this is useless wasteland, nothing can be grown here. And Mohan, who has a clear vision of what he wants to create. So here you have to write down on your in your notebook about the imagination of Mohan's thinking regarding keeping in view that he has a clear vision of what he wants to create. So basically he has a creative vision. The next you can see is Karthik and Ashok. Karthik and Ashok have a vision to change the way people travel in the country, but most people thought they were being unrealistic and their ideas would never work. So here also Karthik and Ashok is being represented here, and the thoughts. So this is also the activity that you students have to write about the Ashok's response, and here I am discussing the Karthik's thoughts. So Karthik is thinking like there is too much opposition to this idea, there are too many people to convince and they are just not able to understand. He thinks that what if they are right, maybe it is unrealistic, what if it doesn't work. Then he started thinking like I better forget about the vision, it won't be possible. So all these are the thinking of Karthik, whereas Ashok is persuasive and inspiring. You have to write the Ashok's response, keeping in mind about he is persuasive and inspiring. So students, you have to write the thought here. Let's meet another characteristics. Let's meet another characters, Anmol and Nilesh. Let's meet another characters, Amol and Nilesh. Amol and Nilesh have big dreams of setting up on a chain of a 5-star hotels in the country, but making this dream a reality was not easy. There were many obstacles. So let's see what Amol is thinking. He thinks that at every step there is some obstacle or the other. First, no one would give money for this. Once I got someone to give money, then the land was a problem, then the government permissions. Then ultimately he thinks I am tired of all this. I think I will just go back to my old job. So this is Amol's thinking, whereas you have students, you have to write Nilesh thinking, who has a tremendous will and focus. So this is your homework that you have to do in your notebook. Let's meet some another characters, Rakesh and Samir. Rakesh and Samir are struggling while trying to make their vision a reality. At this time, Bipin offers them a high-paying job that would need their brains, but is in a different line of work. So let's see what Rakesh is thinking. He thinks that I need money now. I can come back to my dream later. Then Samir thinks Bipin offers is exciting. Why not take it up for some time? Such an offer may not come again. So and here is the Bipin. So let's meet some another characters, that is Rakesh and Samir, who are struggling while trying to make their vision a reality. At this time, Bipin offers them a high paying job that would need their brains, but it is in a different line of work. So here Ramesh, Bipin and Samir are discussing. So uh, so Bipin is offering them, and Rakesh is thinking, I need the money now and I can come back to my dream later. So he thinks basically Bipin's offers is exciting. So why not take it up for some time? Such an offer may not come again. While at the same time, Samir, who never loses his sight of the goal, he thinks in a very creative, having a creative vision, and you have to, as you can see in the slide, that there is one cloud which it said that imagine Samir response. So students, you have to write the Samir response, keeping in your mind the view that Samir never loses the sight of the goal. So thus when I we realize a creative vision, we awaken the capacity to have a clear vision of what I want to create. Like Kanwar Sen. Kanwar Sen was a civil engineer from Haryana state in India. He was the chief engineer in the Bikaner estate who came up with the idea of Rajasthan Canal. Was also successfully in implementing Ganga Canal project. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1956. So he was having a clear vision of what he wants to create. Then we also awaken the capacity while realizing a creative vision to be persuasive and inspiring, like Henry Ford. So Henry Ford, who was an American automobile manufacturer who created the model in 1908 and went on to develop the assembly line model of production, which revol- revolutionized the automobile industry, which revol- which revolutionized which revolu- which revolutionized the automotive industry. Hence, Ford sold millions of cars and became a world famous business leader. Thus, Henry Ford was, seems to be a persuasive and inspiring personality. We can also develop or awaken the our capacity to develop tremendous will and focus to steadily move towards realizing the vision, like M.S. Oberoi. So Rai Bahadur Mohan Singh Oberoi was an Indian hotelier, the founder and chairman of Oberoi Hotels and Resorts, India's second largest hotel company, with 31 hotels in India, Egypt, Indonesia, UAE, Mauritius, and Saudi Arabia. In his obituary, the Times of India said that he was acknowledged for putting the Indian hotel industry on the global map by successfully establishing hotel brands like Oberoi and Trident worldwide. So he saw a creative vision of building the Indian hotels on the world map, and he was also successful in making this dream into a reality. So, like MS of Roy children, we can also develop the tremendous will and focus to steadily move towards realizing the vision we had. So, we can also awaken the capacity to never lose sight of the goal, whatever be the difficulties or temptation, like Walt Disney. So, Walt alias Disney was an American entrepreneur, animator, writer, voice actor, and film producer. So, a pioneer of the American animation industry, he introduced several and famous developments in the production of cartoons. So he is basically famous for the production of cartoons. So, like him, we should never lose the sight of the goal, whatever be the difficulties or temptations. So students, we can say that one should have a creative vision, and also the important characteristics like having a clear vision, being persuasive, being regular in order to achieve that goal and made that creative vision into a reality. So like we have seen different great personalities, we can to develop our potential of having a creative vision and forming it into a reality.